Hello everybody. Today we are not talking about any recipes or this is not a cooking video. Today I'll show you how to prepare mask at home just in 30 seconds. No stitching is required. We know we can't go out without mask, and once the lockdown is over, looks like it is going to be mandatory that we have to wear mask if we step out of the house. And it is good for us also because there is no vaccine for the virus, so it is always better that we wear a mask when we step out. It's very easy to prepare. I'll just show it to you. You can take a scarf, or you can take any soft cloth, cotton cloth basically. I took my son's shirt. Actually, this is a old one, so I just cut it into the scarf size and fold this on two sides from both the ends to the half level. Yeah, it's something like this, the way I'm showing it to you right now. Ensure that you take a softer material, that is cotton is the best, and I'm folding it again to the half. Yeah, something like this, and again fold it on both the sides to the half level. This, if we wear it, if we use it in a day, once we are back home, we can just put it for wash and we can take a fresh mask for the next day. So it's very easy, just simple. In few seconds we can just make this, and we can use this. As I already mentioned, there is no stitching involved in this, so you can keep 2-3 cloths ready, and we can use it. Now once we fold like this, take 2 rubber bands. Rubber band can be according to, if it is for the kids, this size rubber band is fine. If it is for elders, then you may have to take little bigger size rubber bands. Now just insert that rubber band, and the size of the mask also you can adjust according to whoever is using it. For kids you can make a little smaller size, and for elders I think this size is perfect. If you wish to, you can just tuck in from one side to another like this, or even if you leave free, that is fine. But only thing is, in the center part please ensure there are no folds, because we will wear mask this side. In case if there is any fold, we may feel little uncomfortable, so ensure this entire place is soft and neat. Our mask is ready. It is so simple, right? Yeah, as I already mentioned, it is always better if we do it with a cotton cloth, because that will be soft, and usually when we wear mask there will be too much of sweat. So if it is cotton, the cotton will absorb the sweat, and the purpose is served. Yeah, this is something like this. My son is wearing that and he's just showing it to you. See, this is how it is. As I already mentioned, rubber band, if you want you can take a bigger size rubber band. I think this size is good enough. For kids, this is how it will fit, and the size of the mask also you can adjust according to whoever is using it. So you can increase the size, you can decrease the size. I hope this is useful. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay home, stay responsible, stay safe. Bye bye.